What's up, rock stars? It's me, Mizz KT. Welcome back to our hip-hop adventure. We have found out that it doesn't want to go on stage because it's frustrated that it can't rap fast enough. It sounded great during the sound check. Will you help me get it on stage? Oh, great! Let's go and let's rock!
Rockin' Reading with Mizz KT.
The last part of the lyrics to his hit song, Eh. Oh, you're gonna help me read, right? Oh, thank goodness. I'm so glad you're here. Okay. Tim, the main character who has a drum kit and sticks, and one of those sticks did a flip and, oh, that's right, ripped his kit. Ooh, let's see how this story ends, yeah? Okay. Tim did it pick. Tim did pick. Tim did pick what? His nose? Oh, that's right. No! No picking noses. Tip. And it fixed. Fixed. It. Tim did pick a tip and fixed it. Oh yeah! Now, Tim grins.
Yeah!
Now Tim grins. Ding! What does your grin look like? Ooh, you've got a nice grin. His kit sounds it sick. His kit sounds sick. You're right. Sick is another word for cool. I should have known that. Thank goodness you're here to let me know what's cool. So now, Tim grins. Ding! His kit sounds sick. Yeah! Rockstar reading! So, okay. How did this story end? Did it have a happy ending or a sad ending?
Yeah!
Yes, it had a happy ending. Great job! But why was Tim happy at the end? 'Cause his kit sounds sick! That's right! Wait a second. Do you hear that? I hear something. Over there. Come on. There's it. Should we talk to it? Okay, let's get it to the stage.
No.
No? Oh, maybe we just need to listen to it? Oh, that's a good idea. Okay. You know, I have heard of this word empathy. Maybe we just need to listen and let it know that we know how it is feeling. Yeah? Okay, let's try this empathy thing. Hi, Oh, wait, we're not taking you to the stage. We just want to listen. What's up? We heard that you're frustrated. It's completely normal to feel frustrated. What are you frustrated about? Oh, that you can't rap fast enough? Oh, I see. You can rap fast, but you're tripping on your words for this song. Oh, I get it. It is a really fast song. Okay, well, you know, whenever I'm tripping over my words, I like to practice. In fact, nobody knows this, but I practice a lot. I practice what I'm going to say. I practice what I'm going to sing. I practice what I'm going to play. Even reading, I practice. How else would I be able to keep up with all of you rock star readers and star sounds? I've got an idea. What if I go with you and we practice right up until the show? Would that help? That would help? Oh, wonderful. Okay, you go to the green room. I'll be right there. Okay, thank you so much for your help. I'll see you on stage.
Tune in next time to see what happens on
Rockin' and Reading with Mizz KT.
Like and subscribe.